Here we are, Aspen 2009, and it is coming down. It's just so pretty. I wanted to take a little video. I'm getting ready for a dinner party, but look at that. I'm actually gonna grill some steak later. I guess I'll have to clean off the grill. Look at it, it's coming down. You can't even see the mountain. It's totally white out. And then, I don't know if you can see. Anyway, there's, oh yeah. Beautiful living room. And this is my kitchen. Well, not mine, but it was mine for 2 weeks. I loved it. It was a really nice kitchen. And I guess that's about it. I'll just show you the dining room a little bit. See, there's the door to the grill. And that's it. And there you go. I think Arlie will appreciate this. Very pretty painting. All right. I'll see everyone soon. Love you. Bye.